Today we discuss about air condition concept in a vehicle. Air condition in a vehicle works on the concept of HVAC. HVAC is nothing but heating, ventilation and air conditioning. The purpose of air conditioning. Air conditioning maintain vehicle passenger in optimum comfort as well as safety condition. The temperature comfort depends on individual perception of several parameters like the flow of air in the passenger compartment, humidity and the temperature of the air surrounding to the individual. The components of HVAC are compressor, blower, condenser, receiver diode, expansion valve, evaporator and heater core. The represent used in the HVAC are R134A fluid. Earlier we use R12 represent which contains chlorine. So it will harm to the ozone layers. So we are using the R134A fluid as a represent. Let us discuss about the working principle of HVAC. The compressor. The compressor is a mechanical pump which is driven by engine crankshaft through belt drive. During working cycle, the compressor absorbs the low pressure represent gases from the evaporator exit and increases the pressure of the represent. Due to increase of the pressure, the temperature also increases and pushes to the condenser. The next component is the condenser. The condenser is a heat exchanger which receive high pressure and high temperature refrigerant from the compressor, where high temperature vapor represent converted to low temperature liquid, but pressure remains constant. The condenser is constructed with a series of tubes with pin around them. When radiator fan blowing outside air through fluid, it expels heat to the atmosphere. In condenser, they have a represent pressure sensor. In order to monitor the pressure in the circuit, the sensor is located on condenser. Based on this input, the condenser fan automatically goes on and off. From condenser to it goes to the receiver diode. But receiver diode has no influence on cooling system, but it absorbs the moisture present in the system. From the receiver diode, the liquid represent goes to the expansion valve. Let us discuss about the principle of expansion. When the fluid is kept under high pressure, for example in the case of tire, when the pressure is quickly released, the cold is produced at the valve. The expansion valve is located at the close to the evaporator. When high pressure liquid represent into the expansion valve, it convert low pressure represent vapor. The expansion valve continuously adjusts the quantity of the fluid expanded according to the evaporator. In evaporator, we have a evaporator sensor. The evaporator sensors detect the evaporator outlet's temperature. It is located on the pins of the evaporator nearly close to the coldest point. So it is a NTC type of sensor. In expansion, the partial vaporization takes place. The further vaporization will take place in the evaporator. Evaporator is a heat exchanger. The evaporator consists of series of internal tubes with pin attached to them. During working, the blower fan flows the warm air of the passenger compartment towards the evaporator. The evaporator consists of liquid represent. When warm air enters to the evaporator, it absorbs the heat. And finally, the low pressure, low temperature vapor represent is available in evaporator exit. In HVAC, we have another device, heater core. Let us discuss about the heater core. In heater core, the hot engine coolant is circulated through the heater core. The fan is positioned in front of the heater core to blow cold outside air over the pins. As the air travels over the heater core, it heats up and becomes the hot air, which blows out through the heater vents. When AC is on, heater become off. When heater on, AC is not working. This is all working principle of HVAC. In vehicle, the temperature can be adjusted by the user. This air circulation is controlled by a component called a flap. When user set the cold condition, the cold air from the evaporator directly goes to the vehicle passenger compartment. When we set the less cold air condition, some of the cold air goes to the heater core, where it is heated up and mixed with the cold air. So the passenger get warm air. When the knob set in hot condition, all the air from the evaporator goes to the heater core, where it is heated up and gets full hot air in the cabin.